too. Let's go. Let's see. Yeah, let's go. Whoa, okay. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Look at that. I can't reach. Ugh. Ugh. I can't get it. Just can't. I'm too short. Oh, this doesn't want. Okay. Whoa, I'm not even trying. Just don't get mad. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's whoa, what are you doing? Got it. Where's the trash can? Oh my god, where's the trash can? Oh! The trash can's right there. Here, how will you put it in? Okay. Get in the trash. There. Tofu, ew, who bought this? I think it was a grandpa. Let's put it in. Ew, get towels. And soap. Okay, I'll get all of the way so I don't get it. Put it on the table and come on, wipe up. Finally, it's all gone, but this is dirty, so yeah. Tomato sauce, we do not need that. Ew, why did I eat it? I did not mean for her to eat it. Okay, now we need to go shopping. Let's go. Get in the baton car. Okay, we got here. So yeah, I'm just gonna use it. Whoa, this thing was like this. Come on. I'm sorry, I was just looking at that. Bro, help me up! I'm not using it. Get the shopping cart. Oh, a basket, not a cart. Let's go then. Do we need anything? No. From here? Yep. Let's get this. I'll get one for me. We need some aloe water. I'll put like 3 in there. Well, put 3 in yours. Don't put your arms up. Sorry. I was like, put your hands up. Boom, 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 boom. Put your hands. Let's grab some soda. We don't need too much soda. Should we grab candy? No, we don't need it. Oreos! Yes! Let's both get one for ourselves. I think we need pasta, not this one. I think there's a different one. I got some plantain chips though. What the heck? I'm gonna get some potato chips. And we'll get the green one. Oh my god, it's gross. Okay, let's get some sugar. That for the birthday. For a birthday cake. Because it's our bestie's birthday. Let's go to level 2. Still basketball. Cool. Yeah. My pencil. Whoa! Boba, yes! Yes! Scream! Oh. Toba 29th. That passed. Okay. Sorry guys, that wasn't even finished. Because we have to throw out. Sorry guys. Because we have to throw out an old salami, we should get a different one. Yeah, let's get this lasagna. I'll get this one. Let's get, what the heck? I can't put it in! Not this one, okay. Let's put them in. No. The full biscuits. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm ready. Oh, oops. No, we need cookies. Forgetting that one's full. Just since these are full, let's put them in. Oh, guys, I'll be back. Sorry, I don't know. Okay, guys, I'm back from the bathroom. So yeah, let's keep going. Sorry, guys. Oh, more plantain chips. I love these. I keep burping. I'm hiccuping. Let me drink water for a second. Grab our items. Okay, boom. Just let me pick you up. Okay. What time they had this? I know I had one at my Tokaboka, my old Tokaboka. Why won't it let me grab the bag? Probably gonna need like 2. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. Boom. No, I scanned it twice. That means I don't need to scan this because it's the same amount of money. Okay, that's empty. Do we have more plantains? I'm scanning it twice because I think I have enough. Pooh, whatever, I don't need whatever that was. Yeah, I don't remember what it's on. I won't pay for the next tomato. Oh, I paid too much time. I'm not gonna pay for the rest because, Oh, I did not need to pay for the car. I did not need my phone to call. What's wrong with my phone today? I make videos every day and this never happened. My phone. Okay. Because I'm off. What the hell? That's actually cool. You're bigger than me. You hold 2, I hold 1. That's okay. Wait, we forgot this section, but that's not for fridge. Wait, why do I feel like this was just shopping? But it wasn't. Let's get out of the store. Okay, guys, we're home. Let me put my iPad away. Okay, let's open the fridge. Y'all know we can't really put drinks up there because it's gonna make leaking. You know what? Popsicle-ish even says it. Fine, we'll make soda pops. I thought you could make popsicles. Then what's the sign for? Gotta go white tin. I'm just gonna put the bobas here. I don't have enough space. No. Okay. Where do I put you? Here. Okay, so when we are done, just wash our hands. That was gross doing all that. That will be the end of my. That will be the end of my Taco Boca video. Bye. No, boo boo. That will be the end of my Taco Boca video. That will be the end of my. That will be the end of my. It's gonna make a grand ending. That will be the end. Taco Boca. Yeah.